front of me is Honor View 20, and let me show you how to update applications on the following device. First of all, you have to open your Play Store, go to the More icon and select My Apps and Games. And here you've got apps that can be updated, so if you would like to update one particular application, for example Android Auto, just tap here and it will be downloaded and installed, just this one app. Just give it a couple of seconds so you can see how it works, and then as you can see, once it's finished you will find it under recently updated. But also you can perform the update of all apps by tapping on update all. Meanwhile, you can use your device in a normal way, you can search the browser, watch some movie, call your friend, just do whatever you want to. Also you can smoothly switch off this phone, and then if you will open Play Store again you will be able to check the progress. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.